Hello guys and welcome back to another Autocad video. Today we're just gonna be looking at some of the tools we already saw in 2D but in 3D. We're just gonna rush through all of them and see what each one does. First off, we have the view tools. View tools I said at the beginning where we can just change the style. In view tools you can see here we can just change how our 3D object will look. Realistic will realistic like this. Hidden will just hide the stuff. X-ray will show how it looks inside. Wireframe is wireframe where you were using it in 2D. Sketchy just makes it look like a sketch. And basically that's all there is. And then we have views. Views are nothing but the views we take to see how it looks. Like now this is top view, right side view, front view, back view. Basically just all the views you can see from here. This is that tool where you can see. And single viewpoint, multiple viewpoints are basically nothing but you can create like multiple viewpoints everywhere. If you queue multiple and then click on this corner, and yeah, as you can see it's a different viewpoint. I'll click on this corner, multiple viewpoints. You can use this to show like a top top view, side view and bottom view. And then an isometric view, just like you do in engineering graphics, which we have courses on, which you guys can go and check. So yeah, basically the same thing here. You can use this to present a certain model you created to people who just want to see them. Right. So this is basically a tool used for that. Now, as we can see, draw tool is basically all the drawing tools we have in 2D, since we need these 2D tools to draw in 3D as well if you want to make any specific adjustments and stuff. And using these draw tools, we can draw an object as well. So if I click on this object and draw a circle, I can draw that as well. And then I'm gonna do a extrude on the box. And yeah, see, you can draw like this. So this is the draw tools. Basically the same thing you saw on 2D. You can see the surface and everything. And this is the selection tool where you can select if you want to select the faces, vertices and stuff like that. Coordinates are the same thing where you can just select which coordinate and how it works. And yeah, this is the layer tools. Layer tools we already saw in 2D as well, where we can have multiple layers and then combine them or change them accordingly. Group is the same thing where we just group multiple objects and keep them together, or if we don't want them together we can remove them. So yeah, these are just the tools we already saw in 2D. So basically it works the same for 3D with just a little bit of changes here and there, where it's, you know, since it's 3D it has different ideas. So basically this is all the 3D tools we have. After that we have surface tools as well, which are just basically making sheet surfaces which you can cut and change, like hollow spheres, hollow cylinders and stuff like that, because these things are a bit different. Surfaces are different since they make them hollow. So if I make a circle here, go to surface and make a extrude on this circle, it will be hollow like this. So this is basically surface, and surfaces you can make fillets and stuff just like in 3D, and you can also trim it up just like in a 2D drawing you can do. This is mainly used for making flat surfaces. These things do not have a thickness to them. So yeah, they're basically like a sheet of paper, but even paper has a thickness, but here technically speaking they don't have a thickness. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully this was helpful to you guys, and good luck.
Congratulations! You have finished the intermediate part of the course. It's time to take the final quiz and obtain your completion certificate. Follow the link to the quiz and finish it within the time limit and move on to the advanced courses. Happy learning!